today's packaging which I have right here with me, it's a drone. So this is a folding model, we also have a camera, so we're gonna unpack it right now and we're gonna test it out ourselves in a second. So the age requirements are 14 plus, so the child or the adult they're getting for, they know what to do with it. And right now, let's unpack it and let me see how it looks and how it actually is in here. So, of course, it comes with the instructions and the manual itself, so literally everything that you need to know about it. That's a few attachments for the little drone with the screws and everything else. If you break something, there's gonna be the little charger. It's USB to a normal one, which you're gonna charge the batteries. You have two, one is already in the drone, I believe. I'm gonna see right now. But yeah, that's gonna be the drone foldable. I believe the battery is right here at the back, which we're gonna take out in a second. That's all. That's the battery. You just take it out, charge it and put it back in. Okay, that should be all done, and you can unfold it now. So it unfolds when you the little click, so it stays in place for every single one. That's all. And it has a little camera here and the turn on button here as well. Literally simply looks amazing at the moment. So let me see how the remote looks itself. That's gonna be the remote control. It's gonna be great. You can connect it to your phone, I believe, and literally put it here. And you can see what it is from, there's a turn on button, how to control it, and everything else. I'll read for the manual and I'll be right back to you, and I will literally explain everything else that you need to know. So I'm literally gonna put the protective gear on in a second. I'll assemble it and I will be right back to you to show you how it works. Because me and my boyfriend will do it, I don't want to break nothing. He had experience with drones, but I haven't. So he knows how to put it the best, and I'll be right back to you then. So when everything is going to be placed in order, and I will show you how it looks. So he told me what I need to do. So we're just going to literally place these little things here, so protect the wings. Okay, that should be all. So it has a little thing that needs to click here. I'll do on every single one that I need to do this. And I have one more. There's a few extra wings that we're gonna literally place in a second. We're gonna unscrew it and place it in. But that should be literally all. And I'll be right back when everything is literally done. So I already put the protective gear on. There's other extras if you break any wings. They come with the screw. This one needs batteries, so you just put the batteries here, you turn it on, literally press this button on, and it turns on and connected to the app that you have to download. Everything is going to be connected through there, and it literally very easy to use. It looks simply amazing. So right now let's literally go and fly out this mini drone, and I'll be right back to you.
Drop it.
Ako ang price, it's simply amazing, very easy to control, and it's simply an amazing gift for a guy or even for a girl that is literally interested in drones or anything specific like this. But I recommend it to everybody. It's an amazing product and I couldn't say anything more about it. It's simply amazing, it's great, and I don't have any more complaints about it. I don't have anything else bad to say. An amazing price, looks great, everything, the instructions are clear, and flies amazing as well.